Hi there. Got a repair report today. This is for John in Kentucky. It's a Galaxy 93T. He had a carrier on his sideband. It's kind of common on this chassis, and the chassis is similar to it. There's some overcoupling that occurs in the preamplifier stages right before the, right over in this section here before it takes the turn. Just some careful tuning there takes care of that problem, and we did a tune-up. And we replaced his audio limiter, Q30 something, Q32, put that back in there and got everything done up right. So here's a tune-up. John, over here I got, you turn the power all the way down. Got 3 stages here. Okay, all the way down, a couple of watts. Medium power. Five watts. And high power. About 15 watts. Peak power 100 watts slug. We got 60 right here and 80. Audio check, 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 check. Audio 1 2 3 4 5. Audio check, check. 1 2 3 4 5. Audio check, check, check. 1 2 3 4. And on sideband. Audio check, check, check. 1 2 3 4 5. Audio check, check. Audio 1 2 3 4. All set. Check, check, check.
Got you here.
10 Lord.
Be out, driver.
I'm over here at Commercial in Dixie. It's like 32 off of 95.
Over here on Commercial and Power Line.
10 Lord.